Sometimes the hardest truth is this: even those who love Jesus can still walk away. In the gospel, Jesus says, "A time will come when his disciples will scatter, when they will leave him alone." And yet, he is not afraid. He simply says, "I am not alone because the Father is with me." And then he tells us something very important. In the world, you will have trouble, but take courage. I have conquered the world. My dear friends, Jesus understands our weakness. He knows that sometimes we choose the crowd instead of Him. We choose what is easy instead of what is right. We fall, we fail, we drift away from Him. But listen, Jesus is not shocked by that. He already knows, and still, He loves us. Even when the disciples left Him, He did not stop loving them. He came back, He forgave, and He stayed. And today, He is telling you the same thing. Do not be afraid of your weakness. Do not run away because of your failures. Take courage. Stay with Jesus. Because even if others live, even if you feel alone, you are never alone. The Father is with you. Jesus is with you. And He has already overcome the world. Amen.